Hello and welcome to this video tutorial for the Space Combat Kit for Unity, where I'll be showing you the new condition trigger component that opens up a lot of options for you to hook up functionality in your game without writing code. So as an example, I've got this simple scene here where I've got some input set up here to fire a energy projectile weapon, which is just the standard one that comes in this kit as a prefab. And at the moment, if we take a look at the weapon setup, so we have this triggerable component which fires the repeater component, and this is a component for setting up single burst and automatic fire for any kind of weapon or whatever other module you want to operate. And when this repeater fires, the action that it calls is the projectile launcher launch projectile function, which just directly launches a projectile without checking any conditions first, whether there's any ammo or anything like that. So what we want to do is insert a new component between the repeater and the projectile launcher, which checks first if there is ammo available before launching the projectile. And this component is the condition trigger. We'll drag it up first in between the repeater and the projectile launcher, which is where it's going to operate. And then instead of launching the projectile directly, we will add this condition trigger component. Go to the condition trigger component and trigger the trigger function. So this condition trigger component, basically what it allows you to do is set up a list of conditions which are Boolean functions that return true or false, and you can evaluate these conditions according to this evaluation type, and means that it will check if condition A and condition B and condition C, through the whole list of conditions, all of them must be true for the evaluation to succeed. And then we have the OR evaluation type, which basically is if any condition is successful, then the evaluation succeeds. So I've got a simple component here called ammo container, which basically just stores a number of ammo and provides functions for checking if ammo is available and drawing ammo as well. So what we want to do is add a condition here which checks if ammo is available. So we drag the ammo container component here, or the game object with the component. We select the component, ammo container. The function has ammo is the function we want to check. And the evaluation type, that means this function should be equal to true. So any function you add here must be a Boolean function, must be a true or false return type. And you'll see under here we've got these two events for when the evaluation is successful and when it fails. So when it's successful, we want to add the projectile launcher launch projectile function. And at the top here, you've just got a description that allows you to make it easier to understand what's going on. So maybe we can write checks if ammo is available before launching projectile. So if we run the scene now, it's checking if ammo is available, but it's not drawing any ammo yet. So we'll just go back here to our projectile launcher, add an event function, drag ammo container here, and we'll call the draw ammo, which basically just reduces the number of ammo by 1 when a projectile is launched. So then we run the scene. It fires 5 times, and then we can't fire anymore. So you can see the ammo container had 5 bullets. When they were used up, it didn't fire anymore. So this is a simple example of how the condition trigger component works. But as you can see, you can use it in a lot of different ways. You can insert it between any function that calls an event. So instead of calling the event, you call the condition trigger first, and then add the function to the successful event here. So this opens up a lot of possibilities for you to hook up functionality in your game without writing any code. And that's the goal of this kit, is to enable you to create your game as easily as possible. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.